As we begin, allow your eyes to close and take a slow, deep, relaxing breath. Just breathe in slowly and deeply and relax. And as you do, notice the muscles in your body beginning to completely relax. Take another deep, relaxing breath, and again exhale slowly, feeling your body relaxing more and more with every breath you take. Breathe deeply, relaxing every cell and every tissue, allowing your body to just drift off, going deeper and deeper. Breathing in relaxation with every breath, breathing out all tension and tightness. Breathing in peace and breathing out all worries or fears, just relaxing completely, allowing each breath to relax you more and more. You're doing fine, just breathing and relaxing, letting your breath move through your body, relaxing every cell and every tissue, allowing your mind and body to let go, feeling peaceful and serene, calm and relaxed, safe and secure. Relaxing more and more with every breath you take. And you continue to relax more and more with every breath as you move through this session. And now, as you continue to relax, imagine that you are standing at the top of a stairway. You feel very comfortable, safe, and secure. You can feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed as you look down the stairway, and you notice that there are 10 steps leading to the bottom. As you count the steps, allow yourself to feel comfortable, safe and secure, and continuing to feel very relaxed and at ease. And now, in a moment, I'm going to ask you to start down the steps. And with each step you take, just allow yourself to become more and more relaxed. With each step, you'll find yourself relaxing more and more. And now let's start by stepping down the steps. Stepping on to the top step, number 10, and just feel your body letting go and releasing and relaxing completely. And now stepping down, number 9, going deeper and deeper, relaxing completely and letting go. And now stepping down even further, number 8, moving down, going deeper and deeper. And now, allow yourself to step down to number 7, going deeper and deeper into an ideal state of relaxation. And now, stepping down again, number 6, letting go completely and going down deeper and deeper, relaxing completely. And now, stepping down once again. Number 5, moving down easily, allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper. And now, number 4, stepping down and going deeper and deeper down, letting go all attachments, all thoughts of the day, allowing yourself to go even deeper. And now, number 3, feeling completely relaxed and letting go and allowing yourself to go down even deeper. And now letting go and going deeper and deeper. Number 2, continuing to drift and moving down deeper and deeper into a peaceful state of relaxation, letting go all attachments. And now moving down all the way to number 1, to a perfect state, going deeper and deeper. At the bottom of the stairway now, feeling relaxed and at ease, letting go and going deeper and deeper into an ideal state to explore. Out-of-body experiences expand your awareness. Astral projection gives you the ability to meet your spirit guides and obtain valuable information. From now on, you have the ability to communicate with your loved ones. Out-of-body experiences open the door to your spiritual development. From now on, you become conscious as your body sleeps. Astral projection allows you to experience your higher self. From this moment on, you achieve your goals effortlessly. Now imagine a beautiful valley with mountains all around it. You are looking down at a lush green valley from high above. You can see a winding river far below. You are standing near a cliff high above the valley floor. And in the distance, you can clearly see a tree growing from the side of the mountain. And as you get closer, you notice that there's a bird sitting on a jagged tree limb. And as you move even closer, you can see that this bird is an eagle. A powerful eagle looking down at the valley floor. examining its domain. And as you move even closer, you can see the details of the eagle. You can see the feathers, the piercing eyes, the beak, the talons grasping the jagged tree limb. You can see that the bird is ready to leave its perch and soar. And as you get closer to the bird, you can sense the power of it, the freedom. And you move closer and closer. You can see that the bird is ready to fly. And you have the ability to become one with it. To become one with the freedom and the power of the bird. Feel yourself becoming one with the bird. Feel the power and the freedom. And now the bird launches itself from the tree limb. And you can feel yourself becoming one with it. You can feel yourself becoming the bird. Allow yourself to do so. You can feel the wind upon your face. You can feel your wings extending. You can feel yourself soaring high above the valley floor. Allow yourself the freedom to become one with the bird. Allow yourself to join with it. Become one. Feel the air upon your face. Feel the freedom of gliding effortlessly on the air currents, soaring, gliding free. Feel the unlimited power that emanates from the bird as it glides high above the river below. Feel yourself becoming one with the bird. Your vision increases dramatically. You can feel the wind. You can feel the feathers. You can feel the power as you move your wings. Allow yourself to become one with the bird and feel the freedom of it. And in the distance, you can see now, far below, your vision becomes greater and greater. And with the slightest motion of your wings, you can effortlessly glide to the left or to the right. Pure freedom of motion with no limits. And you can leave behind all of the old limits that you used to accept. Your sharp eyes scan the valley floor, and you can glide to the left or move to the right, riding on the air currents high above the valley below. Allow this freedom to become part of you. Allow yourself to become one with the eagle soaring high. And your sharp eyes become greater and greater. Your vision is expanded. You have the ability to let go of all limitations. You have the ability to soar free of all physical limits. You can feel the unlimited power of the bird and feel the wings extending. You can feel the freedom. Feel the wind on your face as you become one with the bird. And as you do, you allow all of the old limits to drop away. You have the ability to soar free from your physical limits, to glide high above, to travel anywhere you choose. There are no limits. You have the ability to travel, to explore, to perceive beyond all of the old limits. Pure flight, pure freedom. And you accept these attributes. You allow them to become part of you. From now on, you have the ability to fly free as your body sleeps. You have the ability to soar beyond the old physical limits, and you accept this through every level of your body and mind. You become this magnificent bird. You accept the attributes, the freedom, the vision, and you allow this to become part of you from now on. And every night as your body sleeps, you have the ability to soar free, and you remain aware of your experiences as you soar and move and glide beyond your physical limits. You allow this to become a permanent part of you. You become the bird as your body sleeps. You become the eagle flying free, letting all of the old limits, the old fears, drop away as you soar higher and higher. Your vision becomes greater and greater. Your ability to perceive and obtain answers becomes greater and greater as you accept and absorb the attributes of the eagle. Become one with it as your body drifts away. You become one with the eagle, enjoying the freedom of flight, flying free of all limits. Enjoy the sensation of flight as your body drifts off. As your body dissolves away, you are free to fly, to explore, to obtain answers, to move beyond the physical. You have this ability from now on, and you accept this through every level of your body and mind. And your body drifts away, and you remain aware. You remain aware of your freedom, of your ability to soar high, and your vision increases. Your ability to explore and perceive is unlimited, and you accept this through every level of your body and mind. And now allow your body to just drift away, to dissolve from view as you become one with the eagle, flying high. And from now on, you remember your experiences with greater and greater detail. And you absolutely receive the information you seek. Allow yourself to become one with the eagle and leave the dense form below. Allow this freedom, this clarity to become part of you for now. And all remnants of the body are now drifting away. And you are one with the eagle. And take this time and explore this. Embrace it. Become one with it. Enjoy the freedom that comes from flight. You have the ability from now on to go anywhere you choose, to explore anywhere, anytime, any place. There are no limits. Accept and embrace this and become one with it. You are the eagle, flying high for now